Hey everyone, now, get this. What you're about to watch was created in just 7.5 minutes using nothing but AI. That's right, I used ChatGPT for the script and ADORI video for the visuals. Mind-blowing, isn't it? If I can pull this off in under 8 minutes, just imagine the insane things you could do with a bit more time. Need to whip up a last-minute presentation? No sweat. With AI, you've got a secret weapon in your pocket. And here's the deal. If we can hit 20 likes on this video, I'll drop a tutorial on how you can also create a kick-ass informational video in under 8 minutes. So smash that like button and let's make it happen. Alright, enough chit-chat. Maybe the video isn't perfect, but remember, it was made with a few clicks and under 8 minutes. Let's dive into the video. Introducing Copilot by Microsoft. You don't want to miss this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's fascinated by the ever-evolving world of tech, then you're gonna love today's episode. Buckle up because Microsoft just dropped some game-changing news that could redefine our relationship with computers. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in how we interact with technology. Chapter 1, Microsoft's big announcement. So, last night Microsoft hosted a Surface event, and they unveiled something called Copilot, a new AI assistant that'll be built right into Windows 11 apps. Refer to source. According to tech writer Bodin Kaminsky, Copilot is all set to make your life easier in real time. We're talking faster email drafting, better calendar management, and so much more. Example, remember how Apple's Siri shook things up when it was introduced? Well, Copilot is aiming to take that to the next level. No more scouring through emails, Copilot's got you covered. Chapter 2, Copilot features. Copilot isn't just confined to your typical Office suite. This assistant will also extend its functionalities to standard Windows 11 apps like Photos and Paint. Even better, it's going to integrate data from mobile Bing and Edge for a seamless experience. Refer to source. As Billy Eklom, editor at PCFRALA puts it, Copilot is becoming a ubiquitous part of Microsoft's ecosystem, involving not just Windows 11 but also Microsoft 365, Bing, and Edge. Example, let's say you're an artist and you use Paint. Copilot could provide real-time suggestions to improve your masterpiece. Chapter 3, The Future of Computing. What's next, you ask? Copilot is slated for a September 26 release in the Windows 11 23H2 update. It'll be accessible via a shortcut, Win+C. Refer to Mustafa Suleyman. If you've been following the work of Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of DeepMind, you'd know that this move aligns perfectly with the AI-first world he envisions. Example, think about Google Assistant and how it's become a staple for Android users. Copilot aims to be that, but for Windows. Chapter 4, The Hardware Side. But wait, there's more. Microsoft also unveiled some new hardware, like the Surface Laptop Studio 2, their most powerful Surface yet. Example, for those of you interested in gaming or graphic design, the Laptop Studio 2 can compact with RTX 4060 graphics and new Intel processors, taking performance to the next level. Alright, we've unpacked a lot today. From how Copilot is set to revolutionize our digital interactions to the cool new hardware that's hitting the market.